Hey everybody, thank you for coming in for a listen here. This is the Big Tobacco Burst. I had a lot of fun building this one. I actually had to build it twice because the first one had a poplar neck that was doing something wonky, so I did a rebuild on the neck and transferred it all over, and I'm thrilled with the results. So this has a volume knob here. As you can see, I'm using some hardwares. Oak neck. And a couple little details in here, like through the heel and whatnot. And I really like these padrone boxes, the F-hole, all the different pieces. I added an electric on this one from the original, and I like the results. So here you go. Let's go a little bit of acoustic, then some electric. Now, amping it up a little bit. There you have it, Big Tobacco.